Alrighty, so I've just done the opening and closing to this tape, so that's A Day Full of Fun with Janet Ellis. And whilst I was doing it, I noticed at the beginning there was a funny sound that came out of the VHS tape. Now you may not be able to hear it on the opening, but I thought I would show you it now. So, whoops, if I unmute the TV, I've had to put it up to full volume so you'll be able to hear it. So I press play, you'll be able to hear it. So listen out. Whoops. Just go back to the beginning. There we go. Let's try that again. So I'm not sure if you actually heard that, so let me go back and I'll bring it closer to the telly. Right, should stop playing now. Yeah, there we go. Now it's only very faint, but there is a test tone in the background. I have no idea what that means. Right, I'm going to press stop on this before the volume blasts my ears and blasts your eardrums too. So yeah, I'm not sure what that test tone was about. If anybody knows about that, then please let me know. So yeah, that's basically it. Alrighty, so remember, stay safe, stay beautiful. Me and Baby Chicken will see you in the next video. Bye!